All right, so it looks like Google Gemini just killed the need for RAG, which is pretty sick if you ask me. So essentially, Flash 2, and let me just pull up this tweet because I'm definitely seeing this from a tweet here. Let's go look at it here. Let's go look at Twitter. And I retweeted this because I thought it was super interesting. And it doesn't look like it got a lot of people looking at it. Let's see here. Where is that tweet? Because this is super interesting. Okay, Rag might be dead after reading about Gemini 2.0, and
Don't even think about it, bro. Just keep going. Let them find out who it was. They gonna be on you.
it's 1 million input context. I've spent all Saturday playing with it. It turns out that the context is effing awesome. It was so easy to use that I built an app that takes multiple documents with 200 plus pages and allows it to tweak prompts. The ingestion pipeline supports both text tables and images using combination of Pi, Mood, PDF, and I will make it fully open source, step-by-step instructions on how to use it. So let's go ahead and see how we can run Gemini Flash 2 because I just want to test it out. Someone started late today. Ha 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 ha. Or I've been at it all day. How about that? Gemini Flash 2.0, our powerful workhorse model with low latency and enhanced performance built to power agentic experiences. Oh, wow. So they're going straight at it, dude. 2.0 Flash is now broadly available with multi-model reasoning, native in, native out. Okay, so you can say native image generation coming soon. Model information here. So this is the model, and the reason it killed RAG is because it takes in an input of a million tokens, dude. A million tokens, dude. And June 24 cutoff. Okay, try Gemini Flash. Um, let's say Gemini Flash 2 here. What will you build? I don't know. Shit, dude. How do we use Gemini Flash right here? Let's go to the one with the, let's say, MoonDev AI agents for trading. Okay, so let's go to our source here and let's go to our models here, and we have Gemini models here. And let's see in our README. I don't know if I have Flash 2 in here. I got Flash 2 EXP. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and just try it out. So here is Flash 2. Is there a difference between Flash 2 EXP? Let's go ahead and say Google Gemini models. I'm getting overwhelmed by looking at bro's screen. Sorry, dude. Welcome to the casino, dude. So 2.0 Flash EXP. What's the difference between Flash EXP and regular Flash? Flash EXP, Flash, Flash EXP, next generation model, experimental models, maybe. Oh, okay. The API. So let's read through this. Experimental models, that's what we're using right here. Okay. In addition to production ready models, the Gemini API offers experimental models available in preview as defined by in the terms, meaning the models are not for production use. Okay. We release experimental models to gather feedback, get our latest updates into the hands of developers quickly, and highlight the pace of innovation happening at Google. What we learn from experimental launches informs how we release models more widely. An experimental model can be swapped for another without prior notice. We don't guarantee that an experimental model will become a stable model. Okay. Gemini. Okay. Experimental here. Okay. So honestly, I think we could go ahead and do this, dude. Let's go ahead and try it. Let's say Gemini 2.0 Flash. Let's say new composer, dude. So all of this code is on the GitHub. The GitHub's only for members though. Sorry. I do closed source. I don't do open source. I'm not a believer in open source. No way. No way, Jose. Not a believer in open source. I'm a closed source believer, dude. Hey, the people that really want to step on the gas, they ain't worried about open source, closed source. Let's get it source. Um Please add the capability to have this model in here in the Gemini models. Look through the models folder because there's a couple places you have to change this. First off, in the README, we need to go ahead and have the regular Gemini 2.0 Flash in the README. And then we got to go ahead and update it inside of the Gemini, Google Gemini folder, and then also the model factory. So there's a few places you'll have to make updates here. Okay, so let's get right into it today, fam. I like it. I'll help you add the support to Gemini 2.0 Flash model. Okay. So it should update a few things. It should update this Gemini model here. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe not. It's definitely in there already. Good, great. Gemini 2.0 Flash here. Okay, great. Now let me update the setup here. So it's going to the model factory. Great, great. So all of this code will be on the GitHub. Don't worry about it, bro. 2.0 Flash. The reason I'm doing this is because if this eliminates the need for a RAG, that is huge, dude, because then we can see the whole code base at all times. Yes. Also, I want to see if I can get Gemini Flash up in here, honestly. 2.0 Flash. Gemini 2.0 here. Let's say accept all. Okay, so now we've accepted it. The model will be used for fast, efficient responses. Okay, perfect. So now let's go ahead and let's make a book agent. .py, or let's say PDF agent. Let's call it a PDF agent. Let's just call it book agent for now. This agent is testing out the super long capability of 1,000,000 tokens here on Google. Essentially, it will be able to pull in a text file that will be really, really long and then be able to use Google Gemini in order to look through it. Because they have 1,000,000 contexts. Gemini 2.0 has 1,000,000 context window now. At book agent, please build out this idea below. Use Gemini 2.0 Flash like we just set up. Okay, so wait, stop. And then we'll have a models data copy relative path. Make a folder for book agent where inside that folder we'll be able to put any text files we want, and the book agent will go ahead and be able to read through all those files. So yeah, and populate those files with like 2 to 3 text files, and it can just be random text for now, but I'll put in like some books in there. Yo, 777 Rico, what's up, dude? How are you? Good to see you, bro. 150,000 to 1,000,000 tokens before it can trip. Okay. Sample fiction, perfect. Okay. So I hope you build. Okay. Create some text files, perfect. Okay. Technical doc, research paper. Okay. But even then, barely trips too bad. It might just start including symbols at the beginning of its responses. Rise and grind. Jackson, thank you for your intel, bro. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're here, dude. Locked, yes. Locked as always, yes. Locked as always. Let's get it. Let's say accept, dude. Book agent. Oh, there it is. I was like, where'd it go? Okay, let's try it, dude. Um,
We must keep moving. We must keep going. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But by all means, keep moving.
full book TXT, full text archive, a century for book lovers. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, huh? We got the text here. Text format, books, free. I don't want to get another one. Let's just try to put this for now. How many tokies this is? Oh yeah, that's a good amount though. So I'm trying to test the token context window. So let's go ahead and say token count. Token count, tokenizer, OpenAI, API. Okay, hi. This is 106,000 tokens. Let's run it up, dude. So let's put that in there. This is Huckleberry Finn. Book agent, Huckleberry. Research paper, no way. Huckleberry. Rename. Huckleberry. Okay, so that's 100,000 tokies. Let's really run it up, though. I'm not just playing here. This is not a game. Well, it looks like a game. Is it a game, though? I don't know. I love games. Do you love games? I love you. I love gaming, dude. I do. I do. Let's see what Huckleberry Finn really has to do. Let's go ahead and see what Huckleberry Finn has to do because I love games, dude, and I love you too. Much love to you, 777. I hope you get everything you ever wanted in this life, dude. Everything. So 200,000. Okay, let's get 100. Let's get a million in there. Let's get half a million at least. Because this will change the game. Rag is no longer needed here. What is rag, dude? Damn, I didn't even tell you what rag is. I just assume you're smarter than me, dude. If you know what rag is, please throw a 777 in the chat. I don't know how many people know what rag is even. That's crazy. What a great teacher I am. Psych. He doesn't even tell the fans. He doesn't even tell them what rag is, dude. What is rag? I don't even know what rag is. I do, but do you? 777 in the chat. I just need to know. Do you actually know what rag is? Because I barely do. Please, nobody knows what rag is. Clearly. Importantly, doing exactly that on going in a long conversation, not just only being able to provide the full code base. Gemini is the best for agents. Nice, dude. Okay, so all right, so that's 300,000 tokens. That's great. Um, what other things can I do? How about let's give the full code base of something. How about my full code base? Okay, let's save this. This is 300K. Rename. 300K. Okay, let's say AI agents code base. AI agent code base. And let's figure out how to get this code base, dude. I'm a dead though. It's probably got to be a public code base though. I'm thinking to start ecom after crypto. Interesting. So code base to TXT. Repo to text here. Thought there was like yeah, here we go. GitHub repo. Repo to text. Here we go. What's a good GitHub repo? Let's do the Eliza framework because I know they got a lot of code up in that hole. They got a lot of motherfucking code up in this hole, dude. I remember that. I remember that much. GitHub URL, fetch. I want a lot, dude. I want a lot. Yeah, that's what we want. All right, let me get all that. Damn, this is big dog. Let me get all that. Generate text file. Yes. Error, failed to fetch. Hmm. Here, I can just put, I'll just put my code here. So I'm just gonna put a bunch of code in here. I'm gonna raw dog it, dude. Or let's make a script. Let's make a script. Let's make a little script here real quick. Okay, let's make that little script here real quick. Let's make a script here. And let's say code folder to txt.py. Okay. And let's go into the chat here and say, please go ahead in this file here. Please go ahead and for any folder that I input that has a bunch of files. So if I input a folder at the top in a constant, it will then go ahead and grab all of those files in that folder and return all the text in those files in a txt file that will be directed at this data folder, and just make a new, or this data folder is our code folder to text folder where it'll be outputted as a unique name. So it's gonna go input here, agents. Let's say copy path. This would be the input. Or here, source. Let's get all our source, copy path. Input folder, output folder for txt. So let's go ahead and just go ahead and get that up in there. Data dog, yes, okay. Book agent, okay. Let's go data here and let's say what is this? Code to text. Okay, code to text. Go ahead and say copy relative path, copy full path here. So you'll be taking all of the files inside of the input folder and essentially turning them into one txt file and put it in the output folder for any time I run this. It'll make a unique one. You can simply change the domain name from GitHub to git ingest. That's slick, bro. That is so slick, Piotr. Let's see. See who wins, bro. That's so slick, bro. That's fire in the chat. If you've ever seen fire in the chat, that's fucking fire in the chat, bro. That's making it on my list forever. Let's see what you got over here, shorty. Okay, I'll help you create the script. Okay. Thank you, shorty. Appreciate you. Much love to you. Okay, let's go ahead here and see what it outputs. See who wins. Process data. Okay. That was fast. Here we go.
Yeah.
I don't care how good you are on anything. You don't have discipline. You ain't nobody.
Right.
You're nothing without discipline because you give up under the slightest
Let's see how many
struggle
tokens we
without
are now.
discipline.
100%.
I mean, discipline is doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it.
Doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. That is a great quote.
Mm-hmm.
And if you can do that, you can be successful in anything.
You know, you normally are.
You normally are. All right, so sick, dude. I appreciate that tip. We'll see how it goes. Tokenizer. Okay, now we're at 308,000 tokens. We got the book, and then we also got this. All my code. And it froze. We're frozen now, fam. Here it is. Count it up. Count it up, buddy. Count it up. Oops, try something shorter. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. How many tokens that is? Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, we gotta try something else. We were 300,000 prior. Before we were 300,000. How many are we now? Tell me that. Wait for it. Exit page. I don't want to be here anymore. Get me out of there. Run it back. All right, we were at 300 thou wow before. Now what are we at? Tell me it, dude. Tell me it. It's too much. It's too much data. Because I'm a data dog. Oops, try something shorter. Okay, I'll do half at a time, buddy. We'll do half at a time. The fuck is all this? What is all this? Strategy tracking.md. Wait. Why did it take all of those though? Data RBI. Oh, it's because I put that data. Okay, I see. The data's in there. So let's try this again. Copy path. I put too much in. That was probably more than 1,000,000 tokens. So let's try another code dump here. And I appreciate the share in the chat, dude. That's fire, bro. Fire, fire, fire. Data here, scripts. Where you at? Code the folder here. Okay, let's change this here. Input folder now is now not the whole source, but just the agents. 777 stands for good vibes. Much love. Hello, Moondev. I'm stepping on the gas today. Are you? Me, you know it, dude. Let's have it go ahead and name it whatever the last part of the name is in the input folder. So, for example, right now it should say agents underscore code dump and then daytime. You know? All right, so maybe this is a very big thing or something. Who knows? We'll see. Okay, let's go ahead and refresh this. He said it usually works faster, but Eliza might be super big. Maybe refresh this get ingest site. Okay. It's just too big, probably. I beat it, though. I won. I won, dude. I won. He won. Okay, so before he had 300,000, and now delete that and let's paste this in. 624,000 line characters. No, sorry. Tokens is 134,000. Okay, that's decent. Where else do I have a lot of code, bro? Um, the agents, yes. The data, I don't need the data because that would just be crazy. Book agent code. This is all just data. What is this responses thing? Delete that. Source here. Dude, so do you see like the problem I'm having right now? This is ironic. I just put my whole code base up in that B. I put my whole code base in there and yeah, dude. Put my whole code base up in there. So Moondev trading bots. Say bots, backtest here, backtest, bots. I could try it. Backtest here, copy path, code to text here. Let's go to that script we just built. So scripts here, code to text folder, and let's go ahead and throw that one in there as well. This one should be safe to throw in there. Backtest, yeah. Perfect. Okay, what else do we have here? Let's go to another file. Let's go ahead and go to bots here. I mean, there's not much here so far, but okay. Let's go ahead and put it in, dude. And let's run that as well. Okay, and I'm gonna not upload this to GitHub, not the code to text, because who knows? Who knows how many keys are up in there though? You know? Git ignore. Okay. Code to text, perfect. Okay, so we got some more GitHubs in there, and then what's another one I could get up in there? Let's try. Let's see how much data this is. Data here, code to text, backtest, bots. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what's Gucci here. Let's throw this in there. Okay, now we're at more, probably. And let's go to backtest here. Copy all of that. It can't even handle what I'm trying to give it, dude. Can't even handle it. See? Wait, bro. Okay, it was 134,000 before. Plus 300. So let me just write this down manually. So we got 300K tokens. We got plus 130. And then what else can we get here? Let's say, close some of this stuff here and say token count. So this is 9,000 tokens. Damn, dude. Weak. $25,000 tokens. Let's go put it in our data here. 777 text book agent technical doc AI agent code base. 2,000. Let's block this guy. I'm gonna block you, bro. Better change that to 777. You got about 2 minutes to change that to a 777 or get ghost. You can see yourself out the door or can get blocked. Either way. Either way, dude. Either way. There he goes. There he goes. 777. He knew. He knew I was about to snap. He knew I was about to snap, bro. He knew I was about to snap. Can't let the devil up in here around me, dude. No way. You bring the devil in here, I block you. That's it. That's it, hombre. That's it. I'm doing good, bro. How are you? I'm doing good. Okay, so you can see here that it's gonna go ahead and get all the AI agent stuff. Okay. Code dump, yes. AI agents. So we're gonna go ahead and put the AI agent doc in there. Yes. That was the agents. This is the back test here. Okay. And then we're gonna put the bots in there as well. Okay. Now what else? What's the third thing I should put up in here? Docs. This is fire. I'm gonna come back to it. Download. How to download documentation into a text file. Um, Code documentation. How could I get a bunch of docs, Booth?
Build, baby, build. Organize. Night. Yes, our slogan must be learn, baby, learn, so that we can earn, baby, earn.
OpenAI API reference here. Let's see how many credits that is so far. 16,000? Wow. So we can have all documentation in here. Gemini just killed RAG forever. I think, right? That's what it means? Or am I tripping? Because in my mind, we literally have for the rest of our lives, it's only going to get bigger, right? Token windows are only going to get bigger. Bigger and bigger, better and better. So we're at like 430,000. I'm trying. I'm trying so hard to get to a million. And it's hard. It's hard. This is hard. This is hard work, dude. I'm trying so hard to get to a million context window, and it's hard to do. So does this just change the game? I think it does. When is OpenAI dropping the million? That's my question. When are they dropping the million context window? Because it's obviously doable. Gemini's here. Okay, let's copy all of this and see how much it is. This is the full documentation for OpenAI. Technical documentation here, paste it in. You can't even tell us. It's just like too big, bro. Too big. Let's just put half in there and just guesstimate. Too big, dude. Huh. How do I even know how many tokens this is? Here, let's go down to 100 rows and then guesstimate. Dude, he's a smart guy. That guy does smart stuff every day. So this is 436 tokens. Okay. Let's see what the bottom 100 rows is like. 859 to 759. 400 was the first one. 436. 349. Okay, let's try a random sample of 100. So 153 to 143 or to 53. Okay, so that's about 100 lines as well. So we have 400, 436, and 600. So 400. So we're gonna do a little math here. We're gonna do 609 plus 430 plus 390 equals divided by 3. We're going to say each 100 lines equals 476 tokens. I know that's not scientific, but what's what we're going to do. 100 lines equals 476 tokens. Let's just say 500 tokens. 500 tokens for 100 lines of this code here. So how many lines do we have? We 308. We have 3,900 lines. No way, that math is fucked up. That's not right. That's not right, dude. Your math is off there. Something's wrong here. Dude, anyways, I got the whole documentation for OpenAI in here. Let's go ahead and get the Anthropic documentation. Damn, that's too bad. Okay, let's go to the Bird Eye documentation. Have you seen 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental with apps? No way, it has access to YouTube and search? Yo, that's fire, dude. Dang, none of these docs do the little infinite scroll here. All right, dude. Well, let's say we got about 500,000 tokens here in our three. We got Huckleberry Finn. We got our code base. Okay, 6. So now let's go back to our agent here, book agent here, and let's run it, dude. Um, what does this do though? Build this book agent to allow for me to essentially the knowledge base will be the input folder, and let's put that as a constant. For now, it's that data folder with the book agent, but let's put that as a constant at the top so it can look through any folder that is connected to there. For now, it'll be the book agent. And then essentially when I run this, I should be able to ask, in the terminal, I should be able to ask a question and then get the response from the AI. So it'll be just a simple back and forth. Ask the question, and then it will use the prompt. The prompt will be that question I put in the terminal, and then it will send in that prompt along with the context. So at the top, it will send all the context in one prompt at the top, and then at the bottom it will be like, above is all of your context. Please respond to this prompt below. And that prompt below will be at the bottom of the prompt because that will be the most recent thing it sees. And it will have all the context and then the prompt. So essentially, we're using all of the context from the constant that we pass in at the top, which will be the book agent folder. And it has 3 text files in it. It could have more, it could have less. And then when we run the code, we're able to put in a prompt that will go with that knowledge base. That's what I'm thinking so far, dude. That's what I'm thinking so far, dude. I'll modify the book agent to work as a CLI. Thank you. All right, let's try it. Let's see if she works. Big lick, dude. Big lick. Oh my god. Oh my god, smoked. 6.6 M's. Let's go check that out. Damn, he got wrecked. Wrecked. Longs and shorts. Everybody gets licked, bro. Everybody gets licked. BTC here. It's good to look at that $15 million liquidation here. Big lick right there. Somebody was shorting that heavy. Didn't they expose that somebody is shorting this $1 billion or something? ETH? So, what is this Kaito thing? Oh my god, down only. Anyways, let's go ahead and try to run this, dude. So, it's using Gemini 2.0 Flash. Can you give me an example of how to use OpenAI documentation to read in?
Don't run with the pack. If everyone is trying to solve the same problem, or a whole group of people, if that's the latest and greatest thing to do, don't do that.
And then
Do
use
something original.
my
Don't follow the pack.
whale agent. And then also send me back the code to my whale agent, the whale agent. Processing question, can you give me an example of how to use OpenAI documentation to read in Huckleberry Finn book and then send me back my whale agent? Okay, so here's the code, dude. So make DeepSeek AI call using Claude, DeepSeek AI. Tweet again here, generating tweets based on text. Whales agent using Claude. Okay. The tweet agent. I don't know why it gave me that, but Python, the DeepSeek, it is using the whale agent. So it does see that, dude. The whale agent includes this. Fire, dude. Fire. I am the knowledge-based AI for MoonDev, and I can only provide information based on provided documents. I am not able to give an example of how to use OpenAI documentation to read the Huckleberry Finn book and then send it. However, I can information about the ask a question. Tell me about the show me how to build. Tell me about this part. Tell me about this. And then let's go pick a random thing here of Huckleberry Finn. It's a random statement. Tell me, read me a paragraph. Send me the paragraph of the book you have access to that is about this part. I don't know. In English, bro. You don't seem to know anything. Yo, this is a different language. Shit. Yo, is this in 3 languages? Sikalab armless? Send me the full code for the risk agent. All right, so yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah, bro. So it does have the context window. This is chill, dude. This is super chill. Cause this is my code, risk agent. Send me the last 5 sentences of your technical doc. Dude. That's it, bro. Yeah, so this is a game changer. This is a game changer. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the book agent here. I built this book. I built this book agent because books have the most words in them. The current problem with AI is the context window. Gemini just destroyed that problem and released Gemini Flash 2.0 with a million context window. This agent is a simple LLM where you can ask back and forth questions based off your knowledge base. Set up a knowledge base in the data folder called book agent. I'm gonna call this million agent. Million agent. It has a million context window. So let's call this million agent. Rename here. Probably rename here too, dude. Send me back the first 10 lines of your technical documentation. Design extensive software applications. Ensure total output is over 100K tokens by expanding each section in extreme detail. Project overview, technical architecture, code implementation, docs, appendices. Yes, dude. Is this the first 10 lines? Yeah, it is. Okay, so she really has context window of a million, dude. So this is million agent. Million agent. Okay, sick. That's all the code, bro. You've seen it all here. Knowledge base. Okay, perfect. So this is the knowledge base here. She's in the prompt here. There's all the code for you. That's fire. Did you answer my question? I didn't hear it if you did. I need the bot to keep learning nonstop and test different strategies. Don't we all, dude? Don't we all? I need this bot to make me $1 billion overnight and then keep making me $1 billion per day. I need it to find all the strategies in the world that can make me $1 billion and never stop finding strategies that can make me $1 billion. Moondev, if you don't answer my question right now on exactly how to make $1 billion overnight and every single night moving forward, I will forever leave your stream. I will never come back. Moondev, you are a YouTuber that shows everything for free, but if you don't give me $1 billion, then I will never come back. That is my demand. You must answer this. I did not hear your answer before, so answer it now. I can't give you $1 billion, but I can give you a million token context window, dude. A million token context window, and I just showed you how to do that.
Imagine you had everything you wanted. Everything. Imagine you were everything you ever wanted to be. And capture that feeling. That's the easiest way to manifest what you want.
That's the easiest way, dude. That's the easiest way. You can have it all, bro. You can have anything you want. You can have anything you want. You can have it all, dude. I need the bot to keep learning nonstop and test different strategies. I have the RBI bot for that. The RBI agent does something similar to that. You got to put in the videos, you got to put in the papers, you got to put in those things so it can learn from it. But the RBI agent does the research, the back testing for you. The researching and the back testing. Essentially, I follow this process here, and I don't know where I went, my dear. I don't know where it went, my dear. Let me go ahead and find it. It was on the Notion free algo trading roadmap and resources. Not free anymore. Sorry. The RBI framework is the process of automating your trading. It starts with research of trading strategies, then backtest those strategies to see if they actually worked in the past. If they do, they are not guaranteed, but much more likely. So what he was asking is, he wants an agent that goes around and finds strategies for him. So this is the closest thing I got to that. It does the RBI system for me. I can input different videos or papers or text ideas, and it will go ahead and research those and then output them. Okay, this is how you do it, dude. You just go here, RBI agent, and you put in a couple videos and then just run it. And then it's extracting the information from the video here. And then it's going on to coding the back tests here. And then it debugs it and so on and so on and so on. But yeah, that's fun. The Million Agent's sick too, though. We just built that today. Do you have a video where you build it? I would love to watch it. I do. If you want to check out, let's see here. There is a YouTube playlist here. Just go to YouTube. Go to Moondev. Go to playlists. Go to AI agents. And find one about the RBI system or one that codes backtests. There's one in here that shows you that. I don't know which one, but one of them. So much love to you. Thanks for coming through. And today we launched the Million Agent. So let's go ahead and write that on the README here. So 2/9, what is the date today? 2/20. Launched the Million Agent that has a million token context. So you can apply it to other agentic flows. It uses Gemini's Flash 2.0. So that has also been added to the model factory. The model factory also built a script that takes any folder of code and outputs to a txt file. That's in the scripts folder. Okay. Sick. And then let's go here to million agent here. And let's say million agent.py. Uses million context window from Gemini to pull in a knowledge base. Oh, you put it in your course? Got it. It's on YouTube though. It's on YouTube. It's on YouTube. It's right here. It's free. Much love for your work. My pleasure, dude. Thank you for doing this. I love watching your videos, but it's really kind of hard to find previous content because your videos are many hours long. Yeah, that's the tough part, dude. You want to join the bootcamp, you can't. But you can join the challenge here and learn a little bit more here at the end of the month. I would say that's the tricky part. I wish I could make my videos more organized or whatever, but I'm attacking this industry viciously right now. So I just don't organize my videos right now.
Writing this paper.
I don't have time for it.
Just get Grammarly.
I do have opportunities. If you want to organize my videos for me, bro, you get paid for that. Go to the Clips channel here. The Clips channel here allows you to get paid to organize my videos for me, essentially. If you want to edit them up, if you want to shorten them up, you can get paid and learn at the same time. So, while I can't sit here and be a video editor, maybe you can. And you get to learn at the same time. And you get paid. So, I think that's pretty neat. Maybe when I retire, I'll come back and make my videos short and sweet. But for now, I'm just attacking, and I think this gets us the furthest. Gets me the furthest, which theoretically should get you the furthest. Because as you can see, Gemini 2.0 is here, and I'm always just attacking the newest thing that can get me the furthest, dude. So I think this is a better way for me to approach YouTube, opposed to like sitting here and trying to make like 10 to 15 minute videos that I know you'll click on. You know, like I can play that game forever, but I don't want to play that game right now. I want to keep playing this algo trading game, and the downside is my videos are going to be super long. The good side is that I'm always going to be on the cutting edge. You know? So, million agent launched. Codebase, AI agent codebase.txt. Agent codebase.txt. Me and agent codebase. I thought I took that out. Copy path, dude. Copy path. Get ignore. This is actually should be relative path here, but I can do that. Data million agent. Oh, because I changed the name. That's why. I don't want to upload anything that has to do with the million agent, so I added that to my get ignore already. But I had it named something else before, so it accidentally got added to my commit. I need to recommit with the same message and delete those 3 TXTs and just commit the 2 scripts, or the million agent.py and the code folder to text. Until it finds a combination of huge success. 777, I love that you empower people to leverage on AI and show you how to code everything instead of gatekeeping stuff. It's sick, bro. Sick, bro. Appreciate you, bro. All right, so let's go here and run this. First, let's remove these. Okay, run it. And then we're going to say here, run that. Then we're going to say get push. Million agent and code to text file .py. That's what we done launched today, fam. That's far, far, far. Look, dude, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this exact trading bot framework, and I'm not gonna just tell you about it. I'm gonna let you steal it. I'm gonna help you master it. In this 3-day trade bot challenge, if you're a crypto trader who's ambitious, committed, and persistent, and you typically are good at what you do, but you're just not having the results that you know you deserve in trading, here's a question for you. How would it feel if you could have a trading bot that traded for you for the rest of your life without you having to log onto your computer each day and stare at the screen? You see, I'm just a regular dude just like you, but for the last few years, I've been using trading bots to manage my entire portfolio while others, they struggled at controlling their emotions, staring at the charts all day. When you meet me in this 3-day trade bot challenge, I'm going to give you my exact framework. We've all seen the endless ads, the cliches, the kids in the rented Lambos telling you how to trade. This is not that, dude. This is a proven trading bot framework backed by real data and thousands of hours of research into automated trading systems. And I put this system to the test with my own money and my own swarm of trading bots and hundreds of others I've transferred this knowledge to. And I want to transfer this knowledge to you now. While I can't give you a plug and play, set it and forget, make $1 million overnight, I actually put my money where my mouth is. And I use this exact framework that I'll be teaching you over the next 3 days. But look, you've seen the trading bots in the market. You've heard of successful algo traders, and you hear of quants that become wildly successful and they make crazy money. So you know it's possible to automate your trading. And you're watching this video right now, so I know you're smart. Because searching for a better, more efficient way to trade, that's just something smart people do. And because you're smart, you also know there's a little something extra. You know there's a little piece of magic mixed into all this. Now I know what it feels like, not just to not make money trading, but to lose a ungodly amount due to emotions and just our bad human judgment. Everything else in life, I could just work harder at and I could get better results. But for trading, I could never get over the emotions. The times where I'd be up all night just staring at the chart just to wake up in the middle of the night liquidated. When you know you're ambitious, you know you're extremely persistent, but you just can't figure out the game of trading, and to feel like I'll never give up, but I'll keep losing. Look, I get it, dude. It's normal for manual traders to lose. Remember, 95% of traders lose money. I want to take you from that feeling of losing due to emotions to becoming a dominant force in the crypto market. I want to help you automate your trading strategies for the rest of your life. You'll be able to build any trading bot that you could ever imagine. And if you're willing to step up, challenge yourself, and take me up on this 3-day challenge, it's just 3 days, I will help you automate your trading. And we'll do it in just 3 days. So here's the big secret. It only takes 3 things to be incredibly successful as an automated trader from home. You build a list of great trading ideas. You test those ideas to see if they worked in the past. And then if they worked in the past, you run those ideas or strategies with tiny size in trading bots. If you could do all 3 of those things, it's pretty hard not to make money. In fact, I've never seen anyone with great trading ideas who tested them constantly and deployed them with tiny size. I've never seen them not have success with algo trading. I just haven't seen it, dude. And here's another truth for you. One good trading bot can wipe out all bad financial decisions you've made in your entire life. And I know this because it happened to me. When you combine these 3 different elements, success isn't only possible, it's repeatable. This is my RBI framework that I'll be teaching over the next 3 days. It comes down to researching, back testing, and then implementing into bots. And when you make the right decision and decide to meet me in this 3-day trade bot challenge, I'll show you exactly how to automate your trading strategy. And if you don't have one, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to get hundreds of strategies. We have plenty of them written by PhDs and more. And I'll show you how to automate your trading right now. And I'm talking now, not like a year from now, but right now. If you don't know how to code, don't worry. I will show you exactly how to code. I did not know how to code either. Listen, I had one bot do over 200K for me, and I don't have some huge team or big unfair advantage. I'm standing here in a bedroom with a whiteboard behind me. I don't have employees. I don't have investors. I have no long-term obligations. I'm free as a bird. But I also don't have a Lambo or some fancy New York City office or a Miami office. I have a simple life. All I do is I code here live with you, and I show you everything I build. Just me, you, and the computer and the whiteboard behind me. So here's a quick story that I don't necessarily love to tell because it's a little embarrassing. But when I first got interested in automating my trading, I knew I had to learn how to code. And I was always super scared of learning how to code because I thought it was just for the brainiacs out there. But I knew in order to automate my trading, I would have to iterate to success. It would just be too expensive to hire a developer to like test, tweak. Anyways, I locked in for like 2 to 4 hours every day until I learned how to code. And I built my first bot. And then I put $10,000 of my hard-earned money into that bot. And I proceeded to lose every single dollar of it over the next 30 days. Yeah, so I lost 10 G's. No wonder I was losing money as a hand trader. I was trading a strategy, a broken strategy, that a bot couldn't even figure out. But that day, I developed my RBI framework, which I'll be showing you in this 3-day challenge, to ensure that I only run profitable trading strategies. My RBI framework is research strategies, then backtest those strategies to see if they worked in the past, and if they work in the past, then implement them with small size into a trading bot. Hey, I'm Moondev, and that day I developed a passion for trading bots and showing the RBI framework that I uncovered. You have to test your bots to see if they work in the past before you go ahead and throw 10K at them. If you can constantly research new trading ideas, then backtest those ideas to see if they worked in the past, and then take those that worked in the past and implement them into tiny bots. If you do that, you can't help but become a profitable algo trader. I'm just an independent trader from my bedroom who figured out a better approach to the market. And I believe code is a great equalizer. If you know how to code, you can build cash flow for generations, for the rest of your life. So the way I looked at automating my trading was this. I could learn all of this coding stuff. And best case scenario, obviously I'd have a bot that trades for me forever. But worst case scenario, I could just use my new coding knowledge and go get a job for 100K plus. That's a solid risk reward. And I know you're looking at your risk reward because you're a trader. Look, I know there's a lot of scammers out there. I want you to look me up. Google me, look on Trustpilot, type in Moondev, Algo Trade Camp. Look me up. You can see everything I'm saying is true. I have videos of every single piece of code I've ever written, all on YouTube. And that one that made me hundreds of $1,000s, that's on YouTube as well, dude. But just because it worked for me does not mean it's going to automatically just work for you. There's no plug and play. The number one rule of automated trading is never run someone else's bot. You have to understand what that bot does. Just like I got wrecked 10K on my first bot, how would you possibly know what somebody else's bot does? If there's like a plug and play bot out there, just run away. No one will ever give you a profitable trading bot. That's the number one way to spot a scam. If it's a plug and play bot, you know you're about to lose all your money. You see, I'm not the type of guy that's going to hype something up. I just try to transparently build what I think will make me money. Seriously, if you're skeptical at all, I have over 1,300 hours of YouTube tutorials. You can go watch my YouTube forever. Get to know me. Come back, make a decision. I've even hosted some of the best quants in the entire world, like Christina Shi. She trades